Hey guys, it is Wednesday, the 1st of July 2015. Hope everybody had a good day. I did. Missed some stuff, but caught more, and that was a good thing. So let's look at it. 30-year bonds today. I actually took some 10-year note trade today too as well. And these two charts, this is the 30-year ZB, and ZN basically is a mirror image, but I'll show you what I took. I had two great signals up here that triggered right at 320, 330-ish. I tried to get in on this bar right here. Oops, daisy, here we go. I lost my toss for a second. I tried to get in on this bar right here. And couldn't get a fill. I had it on right on it, and it was touching my price, and then boom, it took off. So I never got filled up here. Had a trader buddy of mine, Evie. She got in at 150.09, which was fantastic. I had an order all over that, but couldn't. They didn't want my order. They wanted hers. But I did get in on this pullback, and that was about a 12-tick pullback from the low of this bar up to here, which was right on the average. A nice 12-tick pullback. Got on it. Watched it go down a little bit. Went ahead and took some profit too soon, which, you start seeing money piling into that P&L, at least me, I got to take it. I got to have it. But then the PPO triggered, but we still had an EMA, and it went right down to this major pivot line, and then it stayed around that the rest of the day, which is what I kind of thought. Dipped below it a little bit. You could have got a trade here. I didn't take that because of all this EMA downage, but I did take this trade when the EMA crossed again. I see it flattened out here. We had an EMA trigger up, which I did not take, but when it fired again, I took that trade on ZB, and then I had which is the 30-year, and then the ZN 10-year note. I took one on it, and I trailed it down a little bit. Got some more ticks here in the afternoon, but the big move was this move this morning, and it was fantastic. I could have gotten a point and a half out of that. One contract could have got you $1,500-$1,600. Pretty easy if you'd have just wrote it and hung with it. It was there for the taking today. And this little afternoon deal, afternoon delight, worked out quite well too. Turned into 15 ticks, 18 ticks. I didn't get that many, but I was happy. Capped off the day. Anyway, that was a good start for the very first of the month. We'll see what else happens. Tomorrow's Thursday, as we know, and Friday's a holiday, which I didn't know the market was going to be closed Friday, but it is. So tomorrow will be pretty light. We probably can get something off in the morning, but I would be very cautious later in the day because all the fancy pants Wall Street types will be going to the Hamptons and relaxing for the holiday. So these volume bars will shrink off even worse than this, as you see, later in the day. So I would be cautious on that. And Friday there's no go, and we'll have to wait and see what the Sunday open brings us in the bond futures. That's all I got. Have a good evening. Thanks a lot.